All right. So you got a gift bag. How exciting is that? I'm so glad you got a gift bag with a sample in it. The sample you got was Stress Away. And Stress Away is definitely one of my favorite oils by far. Okay, I have 5 kids. I'm working on helping my husband to run this mini homestead. He is the undersheriff, so our lives are just a little stressful sometimes. So Stress Away is pretty darn amazing, and there's lots of ways that you can use this. Okay, if you've got a diffuser, stay tuned. If you don't have a diffuser, I have an offer for you. Okay, so don't go away until the end, until I'm all done. Okay, so Stress Away, you can put it in the diffuser and you can just diffuse it in your home for your entire family so that everybody can chill out. Okay, you can also put it on your body. So some people like to put it on their shoulders. Some people like to put it on their chest. If you have some diffuser jewelry, you can actually just drop it on that little lava ball that's on your jewelry. It's awesome in baths. And I could keep going. You can put it in a lotion base. I mean, it's pretty amazing. You can just smell it right out of the bottle. Oh, it helps you definitely chill. My word, it's so good. Okay, so there's lots of different ways that you can use this. So I've included an infographic in the comments for you to go and click on so that you can actually visually see all the different ways that you can use Stress Away. I am also including a link to our starter bundle that includes not only Stress Away, but 11 other oils, along with samples of our energy drink. It's called Ninja. It has a sample of some thieves spray, like that you can use on any surface on your child's bottom. I mean, wherever you want to use it. Okay. And so it's really, oh, and it comes with the diffuser. That's what I was getting at. Okay. So if you're like, I don't have a diffuser, well, that's how you can get yourself a diffuser and 12 oils that you get to play with the diffuser. Now, if you're like, I don't need another kit. I don't need to buy another thing. I never use it. You will. You will use it because I'm going to be here to help you, to walk you through how to use each of these. Okay? So that's my job. That's what I'm here for, is to help you to kick the toxins out of your home and explain to you how to use all of these to boost your immune system, to boost your energy level, all the things. Okay. I specialize specifically in helping homeschool mamas and homesteading mamas to have more energy, more vibrant, more abundance in their life. So that can apply to you even if you're not a homeschooling, homesteading mama. If you're like, I just want more energy and vibrancy and abundance, that sounds awesome. Then hop on board. Okay. Come join us because I am super excited to help you with that. I want to help as many people as I can with that. Okay. So go click those links and let me know that you actually got the bundle. Because if you don't let me know, then how am I going to help you? Okay. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great day and stay stress-free. Stay stress-free. Wow. I am on a roll today. We'll talk to you guys later.